another story from Azaria. Birds to the rescue. The memory verse is, my God will meet all my needs. Philippians 4, verse 19. King Ahab was worshipping an idol, and he was praying for rain. He wanted others to worship the idol too. They made a temple for the idol, and more people worship the idol. Send more rain. Give us rain so we have more food in the field, he prayed. And he wanted more people to worship the idol. So he built a temple for more people to worship the idol. And more people worship the idol. Every day, King Ahab was worshiping the idol. Was there anyone who still believed in the real God in heaven? Was there still someone who praised the real God? Was there someone there who sings God is real? Yes. There's one person. His name was Elijah. God gave Elijah a message to tell King Ahab. So he hurried in King Ahab's palace, and he said it loud and clear. He said, there'll be no more rain until I say so. So as soon as King Ahab could sing something, Elijah hurried out of the palace. And then he said, where should I go now? King Ahab will be very angry, he said. Then God spoke to Elijah again. Go hide by the rocky brook. King Ahab will get him. God can drink some water. God continued. I'll send crows to feed you. So he heard birds calling. And then the birds dropped their food on the rock beside. So they dropped the food they're carrying near to a rock. Near to Elijah, no rock. Then they quickly flew away. He looked as they flew away. He picked up his food and ate his dinner. And looked in the direction where the birds flew away. God always keeps his promises. Bye. Thanks for listening. The memory verse is, He is able to do more than we ask or imagine. Ephesians 3 verse 20. The message is, God gives me blessings more than I can ask or imagine. Have you ever thought of something you really wanted and you got it, except twice? Here's a story a woman would agree to. Every time Elijah would come to visit the town, she would always give him some food and a place to rest. And one day she asked if we could build a shelter for him to rest. When Elijah visited there again, he was so happy. He asked her, "What do you want?" She said she didn't want anything. But then Elijah's servant remembered that she didn't have any children. So Elijah knew just what to give her. Elijah told her, 1 year from now, she'll have a baby boy in her arms. 1 year later, all Elijah's friends were at the door smiling as she came out with her sweet baby boy. The boy grew, healthy until one day when he was helping his father in the farm, his head began to hurt. So he called for a servant to bring him back home. The woman tried everything to get him well, but it only made it worse. So she got on her donkey and hurried to Elijah's house, saying, "I didn't want anything." As she shared her grief about the boy's death, Elijah hurried to the Shunammite's house. And he went in the room and prayed to God. He covered the boy, and the body began to get warm. He covered the boy again, and 7 sneezes. Achoo, 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 achoo. And on the 7th sneeze, his eyes were open and alive. Elijah called the mother. She was so happy to see him that as soon as she got in the room, she knelt on her knees and thanked God. There wasn't any doubt that God loved her. Just as Elijah helped the woman, we can help others too. Like, subscribe, and share.